Scenario 2, experiencing issues with the hotel Wi-Fi. Timer starts now. Start.
Good morning, this is Paige. I'm speaking. How may I assist you today? Hi, I'm staying in room 501 and I'm having trouble with the Wi-Fi. It keeps disconnecting. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, ma'am. Have you tried to connecting or switching for a different option network? Yes, but it's still not working properly. Okay, ma'am, I understand. I will see to your network or connection to your room. If the issue still persists, I will send some IT team to your room to assist you. Would you like me to call you back once it's resolved, ma'am? Yes, that would be great. Absolutely, ma'am. Thank you for your patience. I will update you shortly.